What's going on, kings and queens? Dylanthebank here, and this is kind of like a live video. Not really live, but I wanted to do it in the moment. There is this new coin called CBD, and it just got released right now, like less than a minute ago or something right here. But yeah, they just uploaded the address. I'm gonna go right here, go to browser, go to Pancake swap. That's why. I was on the Ethereum blockchain and I switched it to the Binance Smart Chain. So now I go back to Pancake swap. Now my wallet is connected. Now you can see my max. Let's go ahead and change this to 12. And let's look up CBD. Alright, and we hit swap. And let's cross our fingers and hope it worked. Woo! Because sometimes, since it just came out like 5-10 minutes ago, a lot of people are going to be investing on it. So it's probably going to shoot up really quick. So you might have to play around with that slippage fee. But I wouldn't go more than 28%. That's what I saw somebody else put on another one. But let's see if it worked. I think I would have to add a custom token. So in this case, so we go to more details. Let's go back down here. And it should be this one then, which is actual contract address. Binance Smart Chain, paste, CBD coin. Yeah, let's do that. CBD, and let's do how many? Let's do 9 just in case. No idea. Oh, there you go. So it worked. So now we go done, and there you go. There you have it. I have 93,000 CBD. Now let's check Zerion. See if we got it to pop up here. But we can see that we have 96,000. I honestly invested like $100 only. We could check right here. I sent 0.27 BNB, which came out to $98.75 with a 40-cent Binance fee. And yeah, and I have 93,000. So right now it's literally just came out less than 10-20 minutes ago, so it's super early, so it hasn't even popped up on the markets yet. And it is pretty risky, but I'm gonna go with the risk. That's why I only put in like $100, but let's see what happens. What do you think about this coin? Are you invested in this? Have you heard about it? If you want to go check it out, it's right here, cbdcoin.org. And here's the address. It's on the Binance Smart Chain, so keep that in mind. It's not going to be in the Ethereum. It's not going to be an ERC20. It's a BEP20 token. And you can read about more information on it. I want to just read the use case, the utility. So this is the world's first CBD coin that donates CBD products to the less fortunate. Natural medicine can be rather expensive for those on SSDI, disability, government assistance, and more. 3% of fees will cover the cost and will provide CBD to those in need for treat their ailments. Phase 3, connect with cbdoil.com to allow crypto payments using CBD. And then phase 4, CBD coin payment API for the online CBD industry. So we could go right here. This is their actual website they're trying to link it to. You want to check it out, and I guess you could buy on it. Medicine. Looks more like a newsletter, but I'm pretty sure there's gonna be ways you can spend your money. But anyways, and then if we Google CBD Market cap, United States. That's where I'm at. So we have a market that's about basically $2 billion. That's 2,000 million. There you go. Market size value of about 3.5 billion in 2021 and forecasted in 2028 to about 13.4 billion. So about a 4x in increase in the billions. So you could find out more information. But this is why I hopped on this coin, because it's a CBD based coin. They're about to legalize weed in the United States on the federal level. That's very close to happening. You have weed stocks popping off. So like, it seems like this is the next hype coin. So check it out. Let's double check again if it updated. There's gonna be no way for me to check the value of it right now. So this is about an hour later, and when I was editing the video, I actually remembered how you check the price for TK Inu, like when it was pretty new. So what you do, you go back to the browser, back to Pancake Swap, make sure you're on the Binance network, and then you're gonna hit CBD max and go back to BNB. So you can see I have 0.47, and if you go back, I invested about 0.27, so it's already up 0.2. I mean, we could look up the price of BNB, but it's already almost doubled in the span of like about an hour. But since I'm really early on it, like, that's when you tend to reap the most benefits. Another thing you can do if you want to like look up the chart. So another thing you could do if you want to look at the chart, I just remember this as well. You go to Dex Tools, and then you could look up CBD or put the contact address. I think it might be better if I do the contact address just to be more exact. And paste that here. Hit enter. So you copy and paste that address on Dex Tools, then you click on it, and here you can check the chart. Look at that, you can't even see, it's just a straight line to the top. Look at that. Damn. Probably need to look at it on the 15 or the 5-minute chart. But it's on its way up, and if you get in early, you reap the most benefits. But this seems like it's also going to be like a long-term coin because they're focused on the CBD industry and there's actual use case. So fuck it, take my money. Alright, well, peace out, you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message, a DM on Instagram. Check out my YouTube, Dylanthebank Official, and I'm always happy to help. So anything you want to know, let me know, and I'll try to help to the best of my ability. But I am not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion and just what I know personally. But yeah, have a good day, and I'm out. Peace.